Hello, parents. I wanted to go over the steps to adding Seesaw. Um, some of you were having issues logging in. So when you bring up a Google account, you should see over here in the corner what you're logged in as. So if you click on there, see, I'm not logged in right now. I'm actually logged in as another student. And when I pull up the account, it actually will show. Um, one second, let me. Okay, once you are logged in as that student, then you are able to see this page when you bring up Seesaw. So when you click on login, it should bring this up. If it doesn't, then what you do is you click I am a student and then log in with my Google account. Once you have this set up, it saves your information and it automatically brings up the account once you're logged in. So once you are logged in, you actually go to the student's name and then you click on um, your class. The activities will be listed here. Okay, now some of the activities, don't click on it like this because when you click on it, it's just showing you what it is. In order to actually work on it, the instructions are right here. It says click add. So once you click the add button, it makes it bigger for you to see. And it's already in the writing stage for you to write. Okay, I'm going to delete all of that. Okay, right here, you also can, as you can see, you also can change the writing utensil that you use. Some of them are wider and some of them are thinner. Like this one, the pencil is better because it's thinner and it's not as thick as the marker. So you can actually change the width of the writing. Once you are done, you actually click on the check mark as it says in the assignment. I'm not going to save it because again, this is a live session. So I wanted to go over that just to give some insight on how to use the activity. So I'm going to log out of this. If you have any questions, please email me because we're going to be doing this daily. And I want the students to practice what they learned from the lesson and apply it. And it's done daily. And so this week I'm going to extend the deadline until Saturday since this is the first week and we are having some technical difficulties getting everyone signed on. So if you have any questions, please email me so I can assist you with getting logged in.